it used to have the spa and gym dito sa building. Then it's just an open gym here. Pero nung dumating po ako here in Palawan, I arrived last year April. So sa sinita po kami ng Opo, construction pa po siya. Hindi pa po okay yung dormitory namin. So, pero yun lang po. But they were trained by Mandalas pa in Boracay. So, Mandalas pa po is one of the known spa in Boracay. So, before we open, 3 months training po yung mga therapists natin. So, napunta po sila dito. So, the real po is her spa supervisor. So, I guess.
My ongoing session of work. So, I also show the other rooms. Just
so, the real po will be touring around this spa.
So, for the last guest, we have Brazilian and lounge that they can use. It's a public lounge with steam and sauna. So, you can check it. So, per room po, at least 2 adults is available to use it for. So, the sauna can fit up to 4 cups if you guys are all together. And then we also have the steam. After your treatment.
Palawan. So, as per the owner po, they are the first po to create parang health resort. So, package po talaga siya if ever mag-check in dun sa area nila. So, normally, mga guests nag-stay for months. Yung mag-gusto po talaga mag-gym, paganda ng katawan. So, with the accommodation, may malaking gym sila, may training, naka-package na po siya. Even the meals, they also provide. So, we visited the area and then, dito rin po siya in Palawan. From here, mga 45 minutes po. So, in the middle, from airport,
So,
papunta.
paano yun? Kung partner na sila, yung guest nyo, dadalhin doon? Or
Ngayon po, pinapromote po namin sila yung mga merchandise. And then, pag may event po, like for example, nung last time po, in-invite po nila, mga training session, boxing session, nagpakita-pakita lang po sila. So, if ever po, as of now, they're currently building packages. If ever, we can also cater na day use, pupunta muna, and then bago dito. Pero as of now, in conversation po with our partner agents. Medyo mataas lang yung area na dyan. Sa tuktok ng bundok. Pero maganda din po yung facilities. Yun sa mga healthy
Napatay ko na. Pati bukas. Ayun, hindi ko na picture. Wala pa. Hindi ko kunin. Ito ko na.
And here po is our pantry, so we don't have foods here, but we can directly order from the resto, or the kids can bring in their own snacks. So next is we have here the boys and girls comfort room, and we have here the electric. We also have the kids size. So next is our nature arts and crafts. These are all complementary. Children can do painting, also epoxidol and coloring. So these are the works of our previous kids. So nilalagay na namin siya. So last is our outdoor and playground area. We have the power slide, the seesaw, and the tower play. So we recommend kids to go around 4 p.m. because during the noon it's really hot. And also communicate to our parents. So Kids Club is open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Yes. Thank you.
So we usually inform the guests, use of the swimming pool is from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Then pool boarded pa, it's only until 8 p.m. I'll show you po, sa yung room nyo naman po, it's the deluxe room, exactly the same po. Pwede ko po kayong pakitaan ng, or gusto nyo sir makita yung double-double para, so suite room and the double-double. This side po tayo.
Ito more on like inaano pa, inaayos.
Just a trivia po, yung room number po natin is 4 digit. Yung number 1, yung first digit po, kung 1 is nandun sa side po ng left. Then 2 is on this side. Then yung second digit po, kung 1 is on the first floor to second floor to the third. Tapos
Nice.
yung last 2 digits is, yun po yung serial number.
So the
Pero ang
first number
is around
is the
you.
building
Kasi
number.
paglabas
Yes po,
Balcony.
1 po sa kabilang
Second
side.
number is the floor.
Yes.
And then the last two number is the real number of the room.
May pa-code. May pa...
Trivia
The
ko.
code.
And then,
Ito paglaki nito, ang ganda nito.
when I started here in the property, ang advice ko na is all the buildings with garden. So, different theme ng also. Japanese theme tropical.
Para makatras sa channel.
144. Para makita na lang po nila. So, this is the same room as room po ni Sir Melo. Para naman makita nila. So, our deluxe room, garden, it's either a garden view or pool view. It's either a king-size bed or double-double po. So, for our room, it's 29 square meters po. So, ang room lang po na may bathtub is only the suite room. So, for the room, kung napansin niyo po sa room natin, once you open the balcony, automatically mag-shut off na po yung air condition natin. And then, ang maganda rin po, the property is already not offering bottled water. So, we want to help also the environment.
Gusto ko yun, yung pag nag-open ng balcony.
Like-
Pero gusto ko, nanay ko yung mag-shut. Pag-open natin, tigil na siya nakakasalita.
Then, on the other side po, yung double-double.
Double. Hindi ko ng
Kumakanta din pala
coffee.
si Sir. Kaya kayo ni Sir din. Kumakanta din.
Oh, ito pala.
Exactly the same lang po. It's just the bed. So, kung sa king po, magkabilang side po yung table natin. Ito po, in the middle.
Sige,
na.
Sir Melo.
Ang maganda rin po with the property, lahat ng rooms po, nakaset up na po yung iron and iron board. So, no need to request na. So,
Iron board.
lahat. Nakaset up na po. And then, kung napansin,
Iron Man, Iron Bird.
kung napansin niyo rin po, yung clock natin is also a charging port na rin po siya. So, yung ibabaw niya.
Charging ito top. Yan. Siya papatong mo lang siya.
Hindi ko pa siya try.
And then alarm. Pwede ka mag-set ng alarm. Bluetooth. Or AUX. Try mo, Sir.
Sige, mamaya.
No, for
So, this is
iPhone.
our suite room. The suite room is 47 square meters. So, meron na po siyang living area. Dalawa na po yung laboratory natin. So, CR
Suite
and
room.
Yes. But as of now, I
There's a
only
huge
have
bathroom.
18 rooms available in the property. So, yung last rooms lang po ng building natin, yung suite room. Yung sa deluxe room po natin, it's 55 inches yung TV. On the suite room, it's 65.
Toilet, please.
Yes, so meron na po siyang coffee maker.
Sino? Sino?
If ever ma-coffee po ba kayo, pwede ko po kayo pasetapan sa pasetapan ko ba kayo with housekeeping?
Connecting room na rin siya.
Connecting room?
So, yung suite room po natin that are facing the pool, may connecting door po siya. But the other side po pala.
Parang wala kaming
Yeah. But
Bathroom po for...
okay lang.
So, ang sunogan pang